All right, let's get started. My role as a school counselor will continue to be through classroom guidance lessons, which may look a little bit different this year, depending on what tier we are in, but I will be part of the specials rotation for for grades kindergarten through third grade. That may be every day for 30 days, or it may look like the regular rotation of once every 6 days. I'm going to continue to do small group counseling. This will be based on input from teachers or through parents based on what they see their students need. Individual counseling will be done either in the building if we are in tier 2, and if we are in tier 1, we can conduct individual counseling through Zoom. CST meetings and parent meetings will continue to happen. This, again, depends on what tier we are in, but meetings will take place to best support each student in the building. And lastly, academic testing. This may be if we see that a student may need more supports, or if they need extra enrichment, we will complete some academic testing. Ways I can help. I am able to meet with you or your student. If your student is requesting a meeting, they may do this either in person or through Seesaw. If they have any worries or concerns about school or home or friendship, we can set up a meeting, again, either tier 2 in person or tier 1 through Zoom. You may request a meeting with me to discuss a concern, or request a meeting with your student. And again, that can be done through email or through phone call if you wanted to set up a meeting. And your student's teacher may have a concern and is able to request a meeting with me as well. My goals for this year is to add a little bit of mindfulness into each day at school. And my goal for that is to ease that anxiety and stress about returning to school and make this transition back this school year as smooth as possible. So again, that may look like a little bit of meditation or yoga or deep breathing exercises. But I really want to make this year a little bit less stressful for students, for families, for teachers. I am available through email or through phone. Anytime that you have a question or concern, please feel free to reach out to me, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I cannot wait to see you guys so soon. I'm so excited for this school year, no matter what tier we are in. Hopefully, I will see you guys soon.